everyone, my name is Savina Vauchan and I am working as a ServiceNow Developer in Digital and Software Solutions. In this lesson, I will show you how access control list works in ServiceNow. For this, we're going to use a custom table for contracts. The goal will be to give read access to the users with the contract repository user role. Before I start, let's check what users see when they don't have this role. For that, we're going to impersonate Adela. From the navigator, we go to the table, security constraints. So we are not able to read any records or the table. Okay? We are ending impersonating. As a system administrator, we go to the access control module. And before we create ACL, we need to have security admin role. For that, from here, we elevate role and we check the security admin. Update. Okay, now we are able to create access control. Okay, we need type record, operation read, decision type allow if. Here to the name field, we write down the table. And in section requires rows, we write contract repository user. Okay, we submit the form, continue, and our access control is created. But before that, we should give access to our user Adele with the role. We go to the users table and we search for Adele. Maybe it's better to get her ID from here. Copy. Here we paste the ID. We scroll down and here on the row section we're going to add our row contract repository user and save. And just to be sure, we update the form. Okay, now we're impersonating our user Adele. Again, we go to the table and now we can see all of the records in the table. And this is how ACLs works. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel.